It was a unanimous verdict. Justice Tanko, after hearing from all the counsels, took a brief break and returned a few minutes later with the verdict. It was simply that the appeal lacks in merit and that the court would give reasons for its decision at a later date. Before the commencement of the hearing, the court had agreed to hear 6 other appeals dismissed by the appeal court. But there was a turn when, after arguments on the main issues of Buhari's qualification, certificate inconsistencies and results from the INEC server, the panel took a break and returned with a final verdict instead. First to react was the national chair of the ruling party.
I want to appreciate the fact that our opponent, Atiku and the PDP, decided to submit to the judicial process, which is the sort of thing I did also when I thought I was rigged out as a governor in Edo State in 2008. And the fact that they submitted to the judicial process, for that I think we need to commend them. But I think I'm also very happy that the Supreme Court has adopted a strategy that sought to deal with these issues expeditiously, such that Nigerians are not detained in fear, in doubt, and all manners of investors are not sure about what is to come and so on.
And the defense counsels
to appreciate and they commend the Supreme Court for rising up to the occasion. That's the way it should be, and the judiciary has done well.
The chapter, paragraphs and lines having to do with 2019 election, especially the presidential aspect, has been laid to rest until 2023.
Counsel to Atiku Abubakar, the opposition presidential candidate, says the country needs urgent electoral reform.
Unless something drastically is done to electoral jurisprudence in this country, there will be problem. There will be problem. You know, because it's now becoming obvious that petitioners will always find it very difficult to prosecute their cases. But I'll say it until they give their reasons, we take it off from there.
After many months of litigation, the Apex Court has put all matters regarding the 2019 presidential elections to rest. Followers of Atiku Abubakar, the main opposition candidate, would perhaps expect an announcement from Nigeria's former vice president soon. Hiram Lakadi, GoTel News.